Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I'm gonna start off this video by saying that I am not gonna lie. I am pretty fucking speechless, man. This is not something that I expected at all, bro. I did not expect this, especially on a weekly trigger for us to keep, right? Like we closed this at 411. We closed the weekly at 411, and we are $12 above that. I did not expect us to push this hard on a bear weekly. If anything, I expected us to be at 390 right now, right? That's what I expected. This is wild, dude. Absolutely insane. The only thing that I can think of is if you close this bull weekly like this next week, I could easily see 431, man. This is insane. I had again, other people said they were completely bullish. I did not think that we were bullish at all. So this is insane, bro. I had no idea. Sorry, I just woke up. So the only thing that I can see is a rejection point on this high top of trend, right? This is the only thing that I could see from here all the way down to 415. But if you break this, bro, if you start breaking above this, you're going to probably jump up to like 425, come back and retest and moon to 431. Again, this is due to the debt ceiling news. This is due to all big tech rallying and stuff. Even dude, Apple is $4 away from its all-time high, right? Like this is wild, bro. Like its all-time high was back here. Its high was what? 182, 183, bro. Like what is that? Like $6 away from its all-time high? That's crazy to me, bro. And then Microsoft, everything gapped up. That's the thing. Everything gapped up. Everything gapped up. Tesla, Microsoft. I think Nvidia is like at 404, right? Tesla's still down. Microsoft, whoops. Nvidia. Bro, Nvidia's at 406. Oh my god, Nvidia's at 4. I'm telling you, bro. The crazy part is that nothing is rallying like big tech. Absolutely nothing. It's just big tech. It's literally just big tech. It's Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon. Probably I haven't seen Amazon in a while. It's look at that. Jesus, look, Google. 127. It just broke its relative highs. If I had to guess to see where this is going, the next step is like at 130. That's like its next step. You have gaps on Google at 133 and 140ish. So I mean, man, at this rate, I look at that. I actually thought it didn't even reject from this 122 weekly. That's weekly resistance, bro. That's weekly, and it just, man, this is insane. You still have a gap at 113. I mean, look at the gaps on SPY. Again, I'll be honest, I'm not gonna do any TA today, because I have no idea where this market's fucking going. Absolutely no idea. The fact that it just keeps running up like this is crazy, right? You had a gap here at 121.15. You're gonna fill that today, right? Technically it hasn't been filled because you're actually pre-market, right? You have another gap at like 426. Would not be surprised if you straight up just go to 426, bro. I would not be surprised because this is wild, dude. I don't think I've ever seen SPY rally so hard like this on like a bear week, right? This is the first time, right? This is gonna be the first time on a weekly, right, that you've actually not dropped on a close on the bear week. Look at that. Every single time you close the bear week, you dropped. My indicator's been right for the last like every single time, bro. Look at that drop. It's been right ever since the bull market. Like, you know, unless because this, if I had to guess, you know, because we have a cancel right now, right? This is the first time we had a cancel, right? After 2020, right? So bear week, right? Bull cancel, hit a pop on the bull cancel, and then you just kept pushing, right? You pushed up for 312 to 358. You pushed up $40, bro. So I mean, if this is technically, you know, what it's doing on a cancel like this, like, dude, I would not be surprised if we're back at like, you know, 4 or 5, like a 463. I would not be surprised if we're back at like here, like 460 in like a couple of weeks or like a month or two, something like that. I don't know, dude. This is wild, bro. I've never seen SPY move like this, especially with such like bear sentiment that we got going on. Absolutely insane. right? I'll be completely honest. I've never seen SPY run like this. So I have no idea where it's going. I can't say that I'm bearish. Can't say that I'm bullish. According to the weekly, I'm officially bullish. If we close like this on Friday, I have to switch to being bullish and I have to switch to going long, right? That's just how it is, right? Because it's closing the bullish week again. I'm not gonna make my decision till Friday, but as of right now, still bearish. No reason for me to be bullish until Friday. If this closes, man, this looks like it's going to 431 and absolutely just burning everything in its path, which is insane to me. So yeah, I have no idea what's going on. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.